Hello guys, so this is how to redeem your gift cards on Roblox. So first thing you're gonna need to do is head over to roblox.com and then you're gonna need to log into your account. So let me do that. And here we go. So you're gonna be directed to the home of Roblox, but you wanna go to the page where you can redeem the gift cards from. So all you need to do is head over to the URL bar and then delete the home word at the end and instead type redeem and then click enter. And here we go. This is where you redeem your gift cards or promo codes or virtual items. And then after you're done filling it in, all you need to do is just click on this redeem button. I don't have a valid gift card right now, but let me just type in whatever. And then I just need to click on the redeem button. And obviously it's going to tell me that it's invalid. But if you have a valid gift card, then you can redeem it that way. And yeah, hope that video is helpful. This is how to redeem your gift cards on Roblox.